remote workers, welcome back to the channel. Today I have remote companies. Remote jobs are more popular than ever, and I don't know if you know that, but they are really in high demand. Many professionals are going full remote. So if you are searching full remote jobs, the best full remote jobs, you can target. I'm going to share with you the company that you can get full remote. I have 10 of them, if not more. I have the company with high good benefits. Be sure to watch this video up to the end to don't miss any detail that I'm gonna share with you today. So let's get started. So number one company is from this gitlab.com. gitlab.com, they have jobs, all jobs. You can find all jobs here. They are hiring worldwide to work fully remote. You can see in different positions, let's say accounting executive, senior analyst, customer success. They have jobs in enterprise sales. They have jobs in field operation. They have jobs in marketing. They have jobs in product marketing sometimes, but today they don't have it one open. They have jobs in product roles. Yes, they have jobs in engineering, customer support, infrastructure. They have financial accounting. They have so many jobs in different sectors. If you go to this getrap.com, you will click here. If you can see, they say that anywhere you are, guys, you can work from anywhere. As you can see, they say that it's clear that we believe in the world where anyone can contribute. So if you click here to open the different jobs, you can see they have jobs in sales, marketing, product, user experience, engineering, security, general administrative, and so on. So let's say if you're interested in general administrative, you have to click here. If you're interested in sales, you have to click here. You will see so many jobs, and you will see all these jobs are full remote. Let's say this senior analyst. So you can see GitHub hire new team member in country around the globe. All in the roles are remote. However, some role can vary specific location based on eligibility requirement. Our talent acquisition team can help to answer any question about location after starting the recruitment process. As you can see, they are hiring worldwide. So that is getrap.com. They have good benefits. If you will see, they have 401k, they have good paying. You will see the range. Let's say if you are in Washington, they will pay you this money. If you are in California, they will pay you this money. So depending on which location, let's say if you are in Africa, they will give you this amount of salary they pay people from Africa. So you will see one of the world's largest full remote company, more than 2,000 team members, and value a fasting culture where people embrace the belief that anyone can contribute. So anyone, guys, you can contribute to this company, and they are hiring remote worldwide. So yes, moving on to the next company we have this hopper.com. hopper.com. If you go to careers, of course you will write in your Google browse hopper.com, and then you will go to careers. You will browse jobs, opening jobs. You will see this it says join their team. They are fully remote company with team member around the globe. You can see around the world. So if you are interested, click here, browse the jobs. So you will see the international companies are hiring full remote. There is hotel market manager. There is revenue optimization specialist, data science, so design and creative growth. So there is this fraud. Let's say fraud operation analyst. It's 100 fully remote. Travel agent training program, it's fully remote as well. If you are interested to apply to this job, you can click here, apply, and then you will start your application. Let's move on to the next job. The next company that are hiring full remote is green.com. Green.com, most of their jobs are fully remote in the United States, but normally you can find other jobs out of United States. The company is green.com. All right, so if you go to your Google browse, type green.com, you will go to careers, of course. See job search. They said, welcome to Green Dot. They say we are pioneer tech company. They are inventing the banking industry and they are changing where people interact with money and changing their convention thinking about the bank can be. If you're wondering if your talent can fit them, you can search here, job search. Yes, you will click here, read data analyst, work remotely from anywhere in the US. Marketing manager remote, work remotely from anywhere in the US. Remote senior technical project manager as well. They have cloud architect. They have senior cloud security engineer. Then you will click it here. You will see other opening jobs. This is senior engineer, software engineer. You can work fully remote as well. So this is greendot.com. This is their core value and everything you need to know about this company. Feel free to visit their website. The next company is AstroPay. AstroPay is one of the biggest full remote company that you can get jobs full remote. If you go here to careers.com, AstroPay careers.com, you will see we break limits. You will click here and then you see are you awesome? Check their position. It's full remote, guys. As you can see, this one is sales guiding manager is remote as well. Affiliate accounting manager is fully remote jobs. You can click here to search more about astropay.com and they are hiring fully remote. They say that they are paying people worldwide. They are working in more than 20 nations and they are recruiting people worldwide. So you can see this is worldwide company and they are hiring worldwide. So moving on to the next company, we have this proofsaver.com. Proofsaver.com, they have different position and they are hiring. If you can see, it's fully remote. Their jobs are fully remote, flexible pay time off. So that is one of their jobs. This position is client engagement specialist. If you're interested to see more other jobs, you have to go to your Google browse and type proofsaver.com. You will go down to find careers here, all right? And then you will see open position. So if you click maybe to this client engagement specialist, you will see they are hiring full remote and they have high benefits. They said this position is 100% remote. We consider all qualified candidates regardless location, all right? And you can work anywhere in the world. So this is their benefits: time paid off, salary position, full-time remote, flexible paid time hour, and they provide equipment. All right. The next company is bravado.com. If you go to your Google browse and type bravado.co, you go to here careers and click view opening position. You will see. So here, click here. You will see Bravado. They have this current position. They have lead product design. They have finance specialists, United States remote, and head of insight research, fully remote. Hopper as well. It's a company which hire to work from anywhere around the globe. All right, you can work from anywhere with this hopper.com. So they say join their team. This is full remote company with team member around the world. So you can see browse jobs, opening jobs. You will see they have different jobs. This is hotel market manager. In data science, you will see design creative. You will see full remote. Maybe this one is senior product design. They have this one, delivery management. You will see it's full remote. All of their jobs are full remote. Drip is another company where you will find remote work from anywhere around the globe. If you see they are opening jobs, all right, you will see they say Drip, press where you want to work. If you see their openings, our openings, there is this remote, yet it's a full remote. classroom operator, client success manager, it's remote as well. Product QC associate is remote. Client success analyst is remote as well. So another company which hiring fully remote to work from anywhere, it's wingassistant.com. You will see the opening position. They have all of these. They have jobs in Philippines as well, India, Mexico, United States. They have so many jobs. Let's say this sales Cora, all right, it's wing.com. You can work from anywhere. So I'm going to share with you the website where you can get jobs. So those were the specific companies. If you go to this website, remote.com, you will review all their jobs. They have different jobs. Let's say design, product design manager, it's remote. This job was posted 2 days ago. And jobs in design, project design, jobs in engineering. They have jobs in engineering, data analyst, director of data, executive VP of government affairs policies. They have jobs in finance, it's fully remote as well. Finance, tax assistant, international tax assistant. All right, this job is located in South Africa. Yes, it's this one. This is another one. Tax remote technology. Remote is solving global remote organization biggest challenge, employing anyone, anywhere, and you can see it's available. Work from anywhere. My favorite is simplyhide.com. You can write here remote, search remote. You will see all these jobs are fully remote, and you will click here 24 hours if you are searching for that specific 24 hours. Grant writer, if you can become a grant writer. Let's say if you are searching jobs in sales filter 24 hours, you will see all jobs related to sales. For example, this job was posted 1 hour ago. No need of experience, it's okay. All right, so in sales. All right, so we have another one. We work remotely.com. They have jobs worldwide. Guys, you can see, for example, this is product sourcing manager. You click here. Only 41 applicants were applied, and this job was posted on October 12th. You can work in anywhere in the world. So it's a remote product sourcing manager. Yes, this is weworkremotely.com. They have more other jobs. This is staff writer, business communication, technical writer for developer documentation. You can work anywhere in the world. So this job was posted October 11, and only 100 applicants were applied. You can work from anywhere as well. So guys, these are the jobs that I wanted to share with you. This brings us to the end of this video. These are free remote companies that I shared for you today. They are a thousand and hundreds of companies out there. Make sure subscribe and turn on the notification to not miss any jobs that I post to this YouTube channel. I will continue to bring those to you. If you don't see anything which match with your interest, don't disappear. Please make sure you check my playlist. I will link in the description box. Also, up to the end of this video, we see the link. You can click and see the jobs. Okay, I post jobs every single day. If you find any value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, as this helps algorithm to help the video to reach to more people. And thank you so much as you do so. Join me to the next video. As always, be blessed. See you next time. Bye bye.